Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Nick, and today I'm going to tell you about the free courses on a Udemy platform for the software testing as well as the automation testing. So let's get started. You can just go to the Google search bar and type Udemy. Now, once the Udemy is searched, you can click on a first website that is in the results. And once the Udemy website is open, you can write here a software testing course. And once you enter, you will get the list of all the software testing courses which are available on a Udemy platform. Now if I go down, there is a separate filter which is called as a price, and if I add a free here, you can see there are like 3702 courses which are available for the software testing. Now, in this result, if you want the English courses only, you can just add a filter here, and also you can add a level as well. So for a beginner level, there are like 1600 courses. So I'll just click on the beginner level, and I will open any course like Introduction to Software Testing as a career. So if you are starting your career in software testing, you can just go ahead with this course. Other than that, we have like multiple courses. What I will do, I will just open this course, which is an Introduction to the Software Testing. And once you open the course, you will get to know about the topics and course content of that course. So this is the introduction to the software testing is in English. Then it is a 37-minute of on-demand video. It is a free tutorial. So you can see the tutorials are free. Then after in a course content, I can check what is a course content of this. So if I go down, you see there is an introduction, then what is a software testing skills, 7 principles of testing and types of testing. So along with this, you can just go ahead and enroll now. I haven't logged in into the Udemy, so it is asking me to log. So once you log in, you can just enroll to this free tutorial and start doing this course. So this is all about the free tutorial courses on software testing on a Udemy platform. To know more about the free courses on different platforms, you can just like, share and subscribe to our channel for more information.